Hi, my name is Chantel C with the AtHome Experience, and thank you for joining me for this Reflexology Minute. Today we're going to talk about TMJ or TMD. TMJ stands for temporomandibular joint, and TMD is temporomandibular joint dysfunction or disorder. So if you experience pain in your jaw, or have a popping or clicking sound when you open your mouth, or in an extreme case are unable to open your mouth at all, you may have TMD, or what many people refer to just as TMJ. So we're going to be accessing the jaw reflexology point to help ease pain in this area. It's located underneath every single nail in the hands and feet. So it's going to be from one corner to the other. You could thumb walk all the way across. You could finger walk across each nail bed, or you could create a hook with the pointer finger, press in, holding the back side, and curving around to the other side. You're going to do it 1 to 3 times each finger. I hope that helps. Until next time.